Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your headphones shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend it to check if you have the latest version. Firstly, on your headphones, open Philips headphones application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app and you will see the same menu. Go to the settings at the right bottom and click at the product information line. Then click at the software update line. You check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. Also, I recommend it to check if you have the latest version for your phone. Go to the settings and check it right here. So on iPhone I have it in the general. On Android you can also use a search to write and update if you haven't. Okay, next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So at the right ear cup we have power button near to the USB-C port. You need to press and hold this button until you will see white LED light. We just turn off them. Now these headphones disconnect from the phone, then press and hold power button again to turn on them, and they will reconnect to your phone, but sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you need to reconnect them manually. If you have this problem, just go to the settings and Bluetooth for connected devices and tap at your headphones. Okay, next step is to perform a factory reset. You need to check if the software set didn't help you, you need to perform factory reset. And it's pretty easy. All you need to do is just simultaneously press and hold ambient sound control button and power button until the LED light starts flashing white and blue. So let's do this, press and hold. Here we go. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. Now we need to remove them, so you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Forget the device or forget device or unpair or remove and forget device. Now if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you need to tap on them at the device list and we have connection. Also, I missed to tell you at the start that also we can try to disable dual connection, because with dual connection you may have connection instability. You need to open Philips headphones application and of course your headphones should be connected with the app. Then go to the settings at the right bottom, and right here in the first line we have multi-point connection. Tap at this line to disable it and check. Maybe this one fixed your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.